Good afternoon, Miss!
Good afternoon!
Thank you po sa pag-invite na ko dito, Miss.
Oh, it's my pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much for coming today. Please have a seat.
Thank you, Miss. No problem po.
Good. But first, let me introduce myself to you.
Mhm.
I am Clarissa Elrostata, student from Southwestern University, Cebu.
Wow.
And I would like to ask you to answer these questions that I have prepared for you from our PE class. Shall we begin?
Yes, Miss. Ready na po. And feel free to ask me po.
Okay, here we go. What types of lifestyle do you have at present?
Mhm. For present, I have a normal lifestyle. I do some of academics, water my plants, manilhig ko sa mga balay, and also mag-stretching ko mga 20 minutes sa buntag. Because there's a lot to do in city life.
Oh, why did you choose this kind of lifestyle?
Okay, so I chose this kind of lifestyle because as a first-year freshman, I am pursuing college starting from Monday to Saturday routine, which on a daily basis, I do studying, memorizing, writing notes, and walking.
Nice. Next questions. What was your turning point that made you realize to engage in physical activity and what keeps you motivated?
When I was on grade 8, katong edad ko og 13, the whole class was playing team volleyball and para to sa performance task sa PE. But then, I was out of place ato kay mahadlo ko makupot og bola. But then, someone taught me how to play volleyball. And that made me to a turning point to engage in any physical activities that is needed for my agility and sports life. So, going to school every day and playing that sport improved my muscle strength, and practicing became a part of my motivation to stay active.
Great. Plus, as an exercise enthusiast or regular exerciser, what will you advise to a person with no interest in engaging in physical activity?
Oh, okay. So for those who feel hopeless to do physical activities, I recommend something recreational, such as gardening and stretching exercises. It is a moderate physical activity that makes you sweat. Also, physical activities helps your mental health. So if you want to clean your room every day, you can. It is a way of improving your process from a slow progress. So if you have your own potential, you can learn any skill as long as you're moving and minding your own strength.
Oh, what strong, inspiring words I could reflect from you. Thank you so much for your time.
Wala naman po, Miss. Thank you at mauna na po ako.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My own thoughts for this video. Today, I reflected that it is never too late to try something new. Engaging in physical activities are a way to cope up with stress. From now on, don't be afraid to start moving. If it is for the good for yourself, then go ahead. Step out of your comfort zone. Allow me to share what my lifestyle is. I play badminton with my friends and carrying heavy gallons of water in every 2 to 3 days in a week. After I interviewed a regular enthusiast, I learned that having a balanced lifestyle also means going to school, work, doing household chores, or anything that makes you active. Overall, being a productive is to experience a healthy lifestyle. That would be all. Thank you for watching.